Okay, so if you have an MVC app, the way to generate a robots.txt file would be through the controller. So I can demo this here. What you do is create a route, and this one would be to the txt file, and what you do is simply use StringBuilder to generate the data. So I'll keep it simple and just do a append line to disallow everyone. So this site will not allow anyone to crawl it. And then you can return the string builder. So if you run this, now the crawlers will know that you don't want them to crawl this site. And if you obviously want them to crawl your site, then adjust accordingly.